I need to create more content. Hi, this is Mihnea from Up Life. A few months ago, I realized that I really need to create more content, and I've been crushing it. On my Romanian Hub channel, I'm posting almost every day, and the funny thing is that at the weekend I did not post. I was quite busy with other things, and I had a comment, what, no video today? And then I realized that people are actually watching. Even if you have 30 views on your video, it's still 30 people who gave a damn about your content. So you want more views? You need to create more content so that more people come. And for a very long period of time, I was obsessed with editing, with lighting, with setup, with sound system. And today I realized something that kind of like baffled me. My first vlog, which is quite popular, was just like that, on a smartphone. It was an iPhone. Now I'm using a Samsung, which is pretty much the same. The technology is so good right now that you can literally turn on your phone, put it into selfie mode and vlog. So I need to create more content, and I need to stop giving a damn about all these fancy things that I would have liked and I would like my videos to be. Obviously, for my other channels where the brand itself, especially Romanian Hub, where the brand itself is a nice video production, an educational video where I teach you Romanian, I think the editing and the sound has to be really good. But if I want to create more content, I can't be in the recording studio all the time, right? So I need to start recording just like now, on the spot. I literally just turned on some of the home studio lights and I said, I gotta put this up. So if you're in the same situation, if you want to start but you're worried about light, sound, editing, you've already lost. You need to start right now and create content, because content is the mother of all things, of all marketing things, of all business things. If you sell t-shirts, if no one sees your t-shirt, no one's gonna buy your t-shirt. How can people see your t-shirt these days? Facebook post, YouTube video, Instagram post, just like that. But if you don't create the content, no one's ever know about you. And this is what I'm doing here right now. I'm gonna start doing this more regularly, hopefully on a daily basis. Actually, why am I saying hopefully? It should be on a daily basis, and it should be about a topic and a quick chat, a quick rant, a quick vlog about that topic. My opinions straight off the bat, just like that. And in this vlog, what I want you to take home is that you gotta create content, and you don't have to worry, you should not worry about being pretty, about it being in a perfect setup. I hope that makes sense. This is Mihnea. Start working on that content. Ciao.